Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoThabo Cele, into ayishilo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs about ama-matches ukuthi maningi ama-match abawadlalayo, but-ke ngeke kube lula, but uthi njengoba ba-professional into vele abaphupha ngayo ukuthi badlale ama-match angaka. Uthi awekho ngempela ama-excuses, isikhathi sokukhala ngempela asikho. Uthi kumele vele bawafeyise lama-challenges, bawathole ama-results. Uthi isizini lena ebaluleke kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and uthi they are in it for a good ride. Chaza kanjalo-ke uThabo Cele. Masibheka overall-ke la izinto engizozikhava, ngizokhava nje ukuthi isizini ye-Kaizer Chiefs ihamba kanjani so far, ama-expectations ne-pressure, well ama-recent performances we-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi-ke bazodlala amagame amaningi kakhulu bafowethu. Squad, i-depth overall kuma-positions are-different, but most importantly laphana ku-midfielder, ukubaluleka kwaThabo Cele laphana nama-comment wakhe, mentally obviously ne-leadership and so forth, nokunye-ke engizokukhava. But-ke nje ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukulike ni-subscribe overall ukuthi si-making sure ukuthi le channel le iyakhula. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke already ine-season la esibona khona ukuthi kuzoba nzima because they are on the continental level for the first time in 4 years or so, 5 years. Ba-expected ukuthi badlale amagame amaningi bawine. uThabo Cele-ke umuntu we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu odlala laphana ku-midfielder and u-decisive kule campaign le, noma ngithi uzoba decisive given an opportunity, ama-opportunities amaningi ukuthi adlale. But in recent games what we are seeing bafethu, we're seeing less and less of uThabo Cele because he's starting from the bench isikhathi esiningi. Yeah, kunzima. And imagine even uNdlovu akekho ulimele, but uThabo Cele is still starting from the bench. Okuchaza ukuthi kunzima kakhulu this season for ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine nabo maboy abakadlali, kusazoba nzima kakhulu and ama-game but-ke maningi. From i-Kaizer Chiefs bona, I mean ku-Kaizer Chiefs model, i-Kaizer Chiefs you are known by, or maybe by dominating, so i-dominance yabo ibaluleke kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa. I-pressure nje ukuthi badelive amakhaphu overall, I mean obviously-ke amagama kaCele lawa a-strong ngempela ama-comment wakhe, ufocusa nje ku-mindset nanokuthi kumele ishape kanjani isizini ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Njengoba beshilo ukuthi angeke kube lula, ngeke kube lula vele, but-ke bona as ama-professional players bayafuna ukudlala amagame amaningi nanokuthi obviously bazi-challenge overall. I think mawuzi-challenge overall uyabona ukuthi mentally ukuphi. Now I think ingqondo nale uyacabanga khona uCele, maningi ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs okumele acabange kanje, azi ukuthi ama-football player and baphushe ngempela ukuthi ba-achieve i-success. While we seeing i-Kaizer Chiefs edlala i-beautiful attacking football le create ama-opportunities but ingawathathi. I feel at times ukuthi maybe amanye ama-player mentally awekho strong enough ukuthi edlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs. Why I'm saying this? Because they're easily crushed by i-social media nanokuthi abantu bathini overall, which is sad bafethu mawubheka ukuthi okay you are a professional but ufocusa ko-Instagram, ko-Twitter namanye ama-page ukuthi athini. Focus on doing your job. You are a public figure. What you are expected to do when ukuthi uperforma nje laphana e-groundini. Siyazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu i-club ene-tradition, ambitious and kune-pressure eli-serious. Ama-fans awa-expect ama-excuse bafethu wonke ama-moment, even nale moment le kamayo ba-expecta there's no excuse, noma ungathini, there's no excuse because i-team enkulu enabantu abaningi. So we are disappointing not just nje 10,000 yabantu, disappointing millions and millions, over 10, 15, 20 million yabantu aba-disappointayo nge-moment nje eyodwa. Sometimes awu-recover kuleyo moment leyo. But-ke this season into ezobaqhuba abantu be-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs bayamdinga umuntu o-strong mentally ofana noCele, namanye ama-player mental are-strong. I think close to maybe uThabo Cele in terms of i-mindset, ilokhu njani, uba nokwinika laphana ya. Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ama-fans awa-expect ama-excuse. Last few season obviously for ama-fans it has been really painful. I think iwini ye-Nedbank Cup ilethe something, into enhle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. This year but they have to build from that momentum. Uthi uCele this season izinto azifani, zi-different, i-squad sabo Obvious squad sabo siyazi ukuthi sikhulu overall kunama-new faces. I-technical team-ke they're working overtime laphana behind the scenes. Ama-player afana nabocela baletha international experience ne-composure laphana ku-midfielder. But-ke i-challenge ukuthi-ke njengoba bahlezi basho nabo abantu be-Kaizer Chiefs or abadlali be-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi they have to take it one game at the time. But they are jungling obviously ilokhunjana i-league, ama-cup competitions, and batrya nokubuild i-momentum on the continental level njengoba babuyile ku-CAF Confederations Cup. Into eyenza ukuthi kube namagame amaningi kakhulu. Coach we-Kaizer Chiefs uze bathi badlala igame every 2 days. Why? Because they have to thola ukuthi badlala namhlanje, asithi badlala Saturday, Tuesday they expected again to play, or Monday. Why? Because they play a game, they have to travel and fly out of South Africa, izinto ezinjalo, back and forth. So it'll be interesting if they qualify for ama-group stages overall ukubona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. Ucele ukwenze kwaba clear ukuthi vele njengoba bama-professional bona, kumele ba-challenge ngempela yena nama-teammates wakhe no-coach overall naye ukuthi a-challenge ukuthi njengoba ucele is not just any midfielder bafethu. I mean mentally siyazi ukuthi u-strong, u-advise namanye ama-players around yena ukuthi enze izinto kanjani ukuthi ngempela i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukuhlala esicongweni, nanokuthi they have to give it all. But I don't think, njengoba bengishilo earlier on, I don't think wonke ama-player mentally are strong njengoThabo Cele, and then they are willing to contribute overall njengoThabo Cele. Thabo Cele i-mindset yakhe i-sharp, but njengoba bengishilo ukuthi is used less manje, less in recent games because ungena boma-second half. I-role yakhe maybe ukuholda i-play, udictate i-tempo of the game. Just for me, I think bengembheka like uleka physique yokuthi maybe I do understand ukuthi uyi-ball player, but I would like to see him attacking more, getting more opportunities, contributing more going forward, because at times like I see him la ku-central kakhulu adlala lawo ma-short passes, a-connecta nama-players la eduze kwakhe. It's very rare ngimbona bene-long pass, ashaye i-assist ekude yalena phambili. So creatively naye angaba important kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi ukuthi angaba i-player important njengoba bengishilo, but more is needed from him on a personal scale. Mentally siyazi ukuthi is putting i-responsibility kuye nakwamanye ama-player ukuthi ngempela noma kuthiwa bakhathele, but i-pressure is there ukuthi bakwazi ukudeliver for ama-fans wabo. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke inama-signings a-different bafethu engiwashilo, oNdlovu, uCele naye bamsayine laphana January, oLebohang Maboy, ama-player asazoza azodlala. So njengoba emaningi kanje ama-fixtures, very important for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi babe ne-depth, babe nama-players a-rotate-ayo, bazi ukuthi lawo ma-player lawo they will give everything for i-team, ukuthi noma kuthiwa kudlala abantu kodwa bakwazi ukumthemba lowo muntu loyo. So it's not about just i-mindset nanokuthi ucabanga kanjani modlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, it's about i-strategy too. I mean i-technical team ukuthi ihlakaniphe, ikwazi uku-change-isa, uku-rotate ama-player. For example, ku-left back khona uMako, khona uCross, khona uShinga. I-rotation is very important. Bakwazi ukustepa up nalaba ababuya ebenchini kuma-tight games, ukuthi i-Chiefs ibe flexible overall. Abanye especially lapha ku-midfield is very critical ukuthi badlale ibhola elihle laphana ku-midfield. Ama-players are given, when other players are given an opportunity to play, they have to really deliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi laphana ku-midfield akukho lula bafethu, kunzima kakhulu. Ama-game amaningi awinwa ku-midfield. Abantu bathi ama-game izolo, I was saying this thing ukuthi abantu bathi ama-game awina ku-midfield, but guess what, ama-game awina ngama-goals. But i-midfielder what it does ukuthi i-create ama-opportunities amaningi for i-team, ukuthi i-team stand a chance of getting those opportunities. If uyakwazi ukucontrola i-midfield isikhathi esiningi, uthola ama-opportunities amaningi, nanokuthi i-team yakho iba well balanced. So ama-player adlala laphana ku-midfield ku-Kaizer Chiefs abaluleke kakhulu ukuthi akwazi ukutholela i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-results. It's gonna be a brutal season, obviously competing ku-Confederations Cup. but uma ubheka iSoweto ama-team i-Orlando Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns they are used to lama-fixtures lawa amaningi overall. And but yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs they have to rise to the occasion. But mase siyivala nje yonke lento le bafethu si-reflector overall ukuthi Thabo ucela methi akuna-excuse ngempela ukuthi ama-fixture maningi so they can't perform. A new challenge for bona, they need to try and get ama-results. So isizini important kakhulu noma ngithi ebaluleke kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. The players have to enjoy the journey and give really a good performance and make ama-fans proud. But most importantly, they have to make themselves proud. Danko bafuthu.